Hi guys, Chris here at SONAX GB. In this video, I'm going to show you our new SONAX Extreme Waterless Wash and Shine. Yes, I know what you're thinking with waterless washes, you know, they're bad, etc, etc. Okay, let's go through a couple of things with this that you hear a lot of stories about, okay? This product does help protect against scratching, but it is not a miracle product. If your car has just come back from an off-roading session or it's covered in thick dirt with grit and stones and everything on it, then yes, there is no way you're going to be able to spray this on and stop it scratching. But if you're removing light soiling, etc., say you've pulled up to a car show or an event, then it is a good idea to use this because it will help prevent scratching, but it will not stop it, okay? So first of all, that's that addressed, okay? Second of all, waterless washes, sometimes they're a necessity. The simple thing is, what if you don't have the facilities to be able to wash a vehicle? What if you don't have water? What if we don't have the 2-bucket method and the jet wash and our snow foam and everything else? What do you do? If it's not possible, then this is the product to use. It is that simple. If you have all the facilities, then no. Maybe stick to your normal washing routine. But if you're out, caught away somewhere, you know, and you need to give your car a quick clean, i.e., like I said, at shows, events, or maybe you're away on holiday or something for a long term, or whatever, a road trip or whatever. Washing is not possible, use this. It's as simple as that, okay? Let me show you how to apply it. It's very, very simple. Take the product, give it a good shake, okay? Because you need to mix it up a little bit. Sometimes it can separate just because of the ingredients in it. Then you can just spray it onto a cloth or onto the panel, okay? And then you obviously just spread very lightly. The key to not scratching is obviously being gentle and letting the product pick up the dirt, okay? And once you've done that, you would then turn the cloth or get another one, whichever you like, and just very gently buff away any residues. And that should leave you with a nice, clean vehicle. Obviously, this is a training bonnet, which, you know, is used for polishing, etc. It's not a dirty panel, but you get the idea of how to use it. The other thing that this does is it also helps, it leaves an amazing slick finish, and also adds protection behind. So it's not just a spray and done or a cleaner, it does leave a protection, hence the shine bit of the name. So there is some great protection, and if I grab some water, I can show you some beading. As you can see, lovely tall beads, you know, which is showing the protection it leaves behind. So again, you know, if you get to a show or whatever, your car's likely dirty, a lot of people use detailing sprays and stuff. You know, they're great, Brilliant Shine Detailer, Ceramic Ultra Slick Detailer. Again, they're great. This is just the next level. Gives extra protection against scratching. You know, it will help remove more soiling than a detailing spray, and it also leaves great protection behind. So it's one of those options. If you don't have the ability to wash, this is the option. If you have the ability to wash, then you can take it or leave it as a maintenance product or something you keep in the boot. There you have it. We don't need to be scared of waterless washes. They are for some people a necessity. And there we go. Thanks for watching, guys. Let us know in the comments your experience of using waterless washes. I'm sure some of you are going to do that anyway. And hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.